So in this problem, since we have two terms on one side with x and one term with an x on the other side, I really feel like you should start by combining like terms to the best of your ability. So my first step is I'm going to take my 5x and subtract 9x and combine those terms. So 5x minus 9x, or 5x plus negative 9x, is negative 4x. Then we have our plus 2 equals 3x minus 19. And so my next goal is I want to get all my variables on one side of the equation, all of my constants on the other. So I'm going to get rid of this positive 2 by making a zero pair. Inverse operations. I'm going to subtract 2. That makes a zero pair there. Now I have negative 4x equals 3x 19, or negative 19 minus 2 is negative 21. Again, inverse operations. Or let me change color for this step. I want all of my variables on one side. So I need to move this positive 3x, and I'm going to do that by making a zero pair. So I'm going to subtract 3x from here, subtract 3x from here. That's going to give me negative 7x's. Negative 4 minus 3 is negative 7. It's going to equal, there's a zero pair there, negative 21. So now I have negative 7 times x equals negative 21. So since this is multiplication, I need to do my inverse operation, which is divide. So I'm going to divide by the coefficient, which is negative 7. Divide both sides by that coefficient, negative 7. Negative 7 divided by negative 7 is 1. So you're left with 1x. Negative 21 divided by negative 7 is a positive 3. And you're done. There are multiple starting points in this problem. There are a lot of different moves you can do. This is one path through this. If you'd like to see another option, go ahead and keep watching, or you can stop now. So I'm going to delete all of this work and show you another potential starting point. So I've had a lot of students ask me why I choose which x to move. That's just a matter of preference. I like to get all of my x's on the right, all of my constants on the left, but you can totally do things a different way. Let's start again our first step by combining like terms. So 5x plus negative 9, again, is negative 4x plus 2 equals 3x minus 19. So I've had students be, well, can I move that 4x instead? Yes, you absolutely can. Let's move that 4x instead of moving the 3x. So I'm going to make a zero pair right here by adding 4x's to each side. So what I have now, I just made 0 right there. So all that's left on this side is 2. 3x plus 4x is 7x's minus 19. So now I'm going to move that constant. So I need to make a zero pair, use my inverse operation to add 19. Add 19. So now 19 plus 2 is 21 equals 7x. Again, that's a 0, so it goes away. And now since I have 7 multiplying my x, my inverse operation is division. So I'm going to divide by the coefficient, which is a positive 7. Divide by 7. So 21 divided by 7 is a positive 3. 7 divided by 7 is 1, so x equals 3 here as well.